So Paul, what do we got going on today?
Oh, it's just a simple exterior shade install. Pretty big shade.
Says it's 112 pounds, right?
Give or take.
And we got to go up the third story?
Oh, I thought it was second story.
No, definitely third story.
Okay.
How do you think it's gonna go?
We're out here is Budget Blinds of Federal Way at a beautiful view home here in Redondo. Customer was getting a lot of glare, a lot of heat. Wanted to cure that with a motorized exterior roller shade, which we did. Now, one caveat on this install was not a lot of fun to get up here. 3 stories up, but here at Budget Blinds of Federal Way, we find solutions. Just drop that for you so you can see it. And as you can see, you still keep a great view, but you cut down completely on that sun and that glare. If this is something you'd be interested in, give us a call.